of a puff. Okay, hi guys, good evening. Right, so last video I was messing about with this one. I wasn't able to rake it. Since then I've raked it about 50,000 fucking times. So I'm going to try it one more time this time. This time it is going to rake straight away. I know Screwlock said because it's pin 1, 2 and 3 are not in use because they're already at the shear line. Might have trouble raking it, but I have raked it if I can find something to get in the hole with. So it's gonna work first time this time, he says. There we go. He's gone. Right. You didn't even see that. I haven't got the fucking camera in the right place, have I? You didn't see it. Fuck's sake, man. What am I doing? I've got the camera in the right place. Right. One more. Let's try it again. I'll try and make the video as quick as possible because I want to do a couple of the others if I can. Right. This time. It's quite awkward this way, but some sort of no. There we go. There we go. So it is rakeable, and I have done it a lot quicker than that. Right. So that's a couple of them. Right. What was the other ones we had? Right. So the masterlock. Okay, so we give up on the masterlock, it just won't open. So we're going to have a go at the other masterlock, silver masterlock, working key, and we're going to just quickly rake it open, hopefully. I saw a video earlier where someone using a half snowman. So I thought we'd have a go at that. A half snowman or a ball, I don't know what you'd call it. But, and I did manage to open it with it. Oi! Dog's trying to eat my rolls. But as always, there we go. He's gone. He's gone. Am I the best, Dan? No comment. Okay, anyway, I will get this on video, and then that's going to be 4 lots that are going to be able to go to any noobs on the forum. Just PM me if you want to have a go on one of these. I guess you'd need, I don't know, 50 or so posts, so we know you're not going to just vanish. But I'll get advice from the other guys on that, see how quick you would send something on to somebody. So yeah, take care, have fun, keep it legal. You know what I'm saying? Michael Jackson. Watch out for the next video. I should actually look at the camera when I'm talking, I guess.